if you're overcoming one of your bad habits, that is also an achievement. Celebrate it. Do whatever makes you feel happy, but celebrate it. Hi beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. My name is Ankita, your friend over here, back again with another video. This is part 2 of the video which I have shared before. If you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend you go and see that video first, do the exercise and then come back to this video. Because this is a holistic process to help you create a process to achieve the success and see the result in your life. I already shared 5 points with you in my first video. I want to share 6th part, which is really interesting one. It's about building relationship. If you're just like me, I have struggled the most in this area of my life. You know what it taught me? It is about you knowing what you really want. Because if you don't know who you are, what you want in your life, you will always attract people who are not in alignment with you. You have to firstly know what you really want so that you can connect with the people who are in your similar journey. Otherwise, you will just waste your ton of time telling someone what to do, whereas that was not the game you were supposed to play. I'm not focusing on any particular kind of relationship. I'm taking general relation which we have with other people. Because it is not to fix anyone. The people in your life are there to support you, to help you to grow in your life. Therefore, it's must and it's needed you have people who are similar to you, that you all are motivating and helping each other grow in their life to achieve the success and dreams that you all are aspiring. So I highly recommend go and evaluate, are those relations in your life are helping you to grow or bringing you down. If they are bringing you down, it's time to reevaluate, and this is the best time to do that. 8th point I want to focus on is time management. I know I'm laughing because you need to understand power of your time, what it is worth of, because if you don't value your time, no one else is gonna do that. I used to be that person who used to invest so much time on others because I wanted to fix, I wanted to help others. But you know what I realized later on? It is such a waste of time. You cannot change anyone unless they want to change themselves. It is a bitter truth about life. But once you start valuing your time, you will see people going out of your life. If they are not a match for your time, they cannot be there. Start valuing your time. I want to say it again. Start valuing your time, because if you don't prioritize, if you don't have this time management in your life, no matter what you achieve, you will struggle because you don't know value of your time. You know, a person who becomes billionaire is because they know what their time is worth of. This is all a game of time. When you know what it costs, you will not waste it and you will be mindful where you invest your time and energy. So I highly recommend go and evaluate where your time is going, where you are putting it. Is it even worth? If not, reevaluate and structure your life and time towards the thing that is most important for you. The 9th thing I want to say is resilience and adaptability. If you don't have this thing, no matter what you're trying to aspire or achieve, you will see that you are just there. You are not reaching your goal, because whatever you want to achieve in your life, it takes resilience. You have to have adaptability with any uncomfortable situation that come your way so that you can navigate especially the tough time. For that, you have to have resilience because it takes time. Nothing wonderful has ever come overnight. If you achieve through jackpot, lottery, that's a different situation, but you will see that you will even lose that. That is not a sustainable life. But if you want to achieve anything concrete and long term, you have to have resilience. It takes hell lot from you to achieve whatever you're aspiring. And at that point of time, only resilience comes. When no one believes in you, you have to believe in yourself. Because you know you are a resilient person. You will not give up. That's how you have to design your life. If you want to achieve something big in your life, you cannot come in your own way. You have to be adaptable and you have to accept and change as per the situation. You not be rigid. Otherwise, you will see that things will take time because you're not adopting, and that's what is needed from your end. And think this is something I want to remind to myself also, that is celebrate your achievement. We are always chasing and achieving something, but what I realize is if someone gives me everything and say just die today, I don't want to do that. I want to live my life as long as I'm meant to. What we do, we don't celebrate our achievement, and I am guilty for this too, because I never celebrate myself enough. I see like, okay, I have done, I have achieved, I just move, even I forget. This is the wrong thing. You need to enjoy the journey as much as you're waiting for the outcome. Something interesting has happened. I achieved something which I was waiting since 2-3 years, and it just felt like, okay, now what? This is what happened. When you achieve everything, you are like again in that empty space, and now you are aspiring for more. But the fun thing is, when you start enjoying the process, when you celebrate the present, that's when the magic happens. So I want to emphasize over here, start celebrating your achievement. It doesn't have to be big. Even the small achievement is an achievement. And I'm saying this to myself also. Let's start and have this habit in 2024, and that you will celebrate yourself on a day-to-day and month-to-month basis. No matter what you achieve, it is still an achievement. If you are overcoming one of your bad habits, that is also an achievement. Celebrate it. Do whatever makes you feel happy, but celebrate it. 11th point is financial literacy. Oh my God, I have struggled on this thing a big time. Now I'm educating myself into reading and learning about how to take care of money, how to invest it. This is the big thing. The sooner you accept and learn, you will be safe. When I am educating myself into this financial aspect of my life, I really feel like why I haven't invested my time into learning this thing before. I'm almost approaching 30, and I feel like I should have done this in my early 20s. It was not about money. I am always abundant, but it's about how you handle the money. And for that, you have to educate yourself. I seriously feel guilty at times, like how much money I have wasted for no reason on the nonsense things. But now, as I'm becoming more aware and conscious, I think this is one thing I want to remind to my previous version, my younger version, that you should have handled money more wisely. And I want to say, if you are in 20s, invest in learning about financial literacy and independence. This is something which will make you free for your life. I feel sometimes that I should have done this before, but it's never too late. If you're listening, if you're here in this part 2 up until here in this video, I want to say to you, this is your time. Start learning about how to handle money. The moment you take care of money, I think most of your life problem is sorted, because it helps you to live your life comfortably in your terms, not anyone else's terms. So I highly recommend that invest your time in educating yourself how to take care about your money, how to invest and educate yourself with financial things. 12th thing I want to say from my own experience is contribute to others. This can be through any way you can. You don't have to start a YouTube channel if you don't like it. Do in whatever way you can, but contribute and help others. You know what it does? It gives you a different kind of self-confidence and self-satisfaction. The moment you see that you are creating an impact, you are helping others, from my own experience I'm saying this, there is no greater joy than this. I feel so grateful and gratitude inside me, because the videos I make for all of you, in whatever way I can help you, this is the biggest thing that gives me joy. I have never seen this kind of joy in my life, which comes from helping others. It can help in your own way. You can help your friend, your family, your local community. A bit of helping. The more you help, you will see more help comes to you from unknown source. It is not about getting that help and that's why you're doing, but do it unconditionally and you will see a different level of satisfaction. And this is something which you can just experience. This is not something which I tell you and you feel wow. The moment you do it, you see a different level of satisfaction. I highly want to recommend, go and help anyone you can, and I'm sure you will really feel good in return. The last point of this series is mindfulness and well-being. I cannot emphasize less on this thing because in my personal journey, mindfulness has played a big role. If I start talking about this thing, the entire video I have to shoot for it, because mindfulness is something that reflects in all area of your life, and mindfulness can be practiced through various sources. It can be through meditation, it can be through connecting to the God universe through chants. Whatever way you feel connected and you that time by yourself in solitude, you have to adopt. And you just don't have to sit and meditate at times. You live your life, the way you do the work, that should be mindful. It is not just about meditation, but these are the tools that will help you to be in that composed and calm state. Because you will see, if you are practicing these things like journaling, meditation, walking, it will help you to become that person to live a mindful life. Also, taking care of your well-being by eating good, surrounding yourself with the people who support you, your environment, what you indulge into, what all you feed your mind and your soul reflects a big time how overall your performance plays. I have seen a common thread in the people who are living a comfortable and life of my dreams. There is one thing: they are mindful, they are serious about themselves, they take care about themselves. Because if they don't have this practice, if they don't take care of themselves, they won't be there for others. So firstly, you have to have mindfulness approach in your life so that you can give 100% to others and you can perform better. This is the crucial thing that will not just help you in your career, but this will help you in all area of your life. Have this habit design where you feel your best self. It could be self-care, pampering, whatever works for you, but have this ritual for yourself to live your life mindfully, being conscious, and also be mindful what thoughts you are getting involved into. Because at times you see that you are feeling down, it's because you are feeding your mind with negative thoughts. So be conscious what you say, what you think, and what you surround yourself, because all these things plays a big role how you behave. These were the points which I came across. I'm sure if you practice this thing, you will see that you are progressing in your life. This is not a one-time thing. You have to keep on doing. That's why it's a process which you have to follow throughout your life. Those were the points which you need to consider to design your life in a very holistic way so that it help you and support you to achieve your dreams. I hope this series was helpful to you. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. I'm looking forward to read your comment, and if you're comfortable, let us know what you're aspiring to achieve in 2024. All can help you in some way or the other. We are all here supporting you and cheering you up in your journey. This is your tribe, so feel free to connect with each other, and let's take this seriously and make it happen, because this is your time. Go and take action and make it happen for yourself. Don't wait for that one day to come. This is your time. Just go and make it happen. Thanks a lot for being part of this tribe. I'm grateful to have each one of you. I hope this video was helpful to you some way or the other. Sending your way lots of love and light. Signing off from my side. Until next time. Bye-bye.